Morning guys, it's your favorite MILF from the Queen City of the South and the face of Cebu Drag, Nicole Pardo. Welcome back to my channel. And for today, it's really going to be special. It is my friend Dr. Xavier's birthday. It's already a tradition sa amin. Every end of August, we will be celebrating his birthday and we will show you how we celebrate it. Trust me, you would want to see this. But before anything else, please do not forget to follow me in all of my social media accounts.
Good morning. Good morning. Pero also na siya, like, is that?
They're here. Nelson! Chismis in the morning. Ganahan ko sa inyong color blue, no? You understood the assignment.
Oh, blue!
Asa man?
Kani?
Taon. Hey, Rabs. I miss you.
Ay.
Breakfast muna tayo. We need energy. So I ordered McDonald's big breakfast.
Papagin ang rason nga ng hanapan siya nga, palitan ko niya yung pagkasakyan. Hipid ko mo sila. Alam man ito mo, pakapon yun.
And I'm with the birthday boy! Yay! Happy birthday, Doki!
Okay, sige na.
On our way to Cordova.
Oo, kadagaling na-happy ko sa mga tao. Kaya announce kong 7, but ideally 7:30 magitamugikan, no? So dapat 7 na sa tangan. Huwag na ng mga tao nga ito makapapa.
Maugani. Ang duha kay ka na
nag-blue lang. Hindi mo na ito i-imagine nga naka-dark blue.
Imaginein mo na lang,
Darkest
blue yan.
blue. Nagsend ako GC mga voice message. Kadagaling happy na ko ka na yung mga GC yung magtagsa-tagsa dyan yung chat ang tao na muna na ay GC guys mag-reply dyan yung tagsa-tagsa
Ano sa gamawag to dito sa GC mo yung naka-exceptionella?
guys, GCs are created for us to communicate easily. Indeed. Oo,
Communication is key.
Sana wala nagpupunwari.
Dog, in ano din siya, no? Like mo, di ka maginawa if sa...
First time mo agi og bridge.
Wish ka?
Oo.
Muna wala po pa na kung makawish.
Hey guys, so we are here at Cordova Roro Port. Nihintay na lang namin yung bangka namin. Ganda na ng port ng Cordova. In fairness, upgrade sila. Start na akong kakulbaan ni guys, promise. Yay! Boarding na po kami. So we were upgraded from a 30 packs na bangka to a 50 packs na bangka. We'll see. Fair. Hey, so we're on board. Ang laki, in fairness. Si Mark Ramir! I miss you, Ligomay ko! Oh my God, so naasat siya, second floor, pero I don't know where to go. Asa siya, Gio, ng second floor? Here! Okay, wait. So let's go up sa second floor. Let's just check it out. Pero inikanaog ni mo kay delikado ka siya, so bawal ka diri makubog because good luck. Oh my God. Ka-steep ba? Steep kayong hagdanan. Pagkabayot ay Malibu, hey hey. Okay ra kay dili ko mo drive.
Straight na siya.
Shut up! No! Yeah, last time na super hubog na kay me and it was like so bad. Pero, nahimo kong straight.
Yes, wow. Started kissing girls.
Boy, shut up! I did not!
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Taki!
First and foremost, thank you so much for saying yes and being here this morning. Pero before ka mo proceed, kailangan kita guidance ni Mark.
Alright guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mark!
To those who don't know me, my name is Mark Ramirez. I'm the owner of Ramirez Island Hopping and Tours. Thank you all for choosing and for dressing us today.
Hey!
We have a very nice weather today. There's lovely in the morning. And we're clean by the Philippine Coast Guard.
Naanat sa tani, Mark, ha?
Ako mo intro kay Mega Vlog Annie. So, hindi ko siya clear cover, pwede insert ang video.
Again and again.
Yes!
Yes!
Mark said, we were good to sail. And this happened. Thankfully, we all survived, even Kyla.
Experience.
Yes!
Girls, wala mo sa Baguio. Anyway, wala ko yung paper na design na to. May takuha, may
Mga virgin.
You are the selected top 30. And thank you, Mark Ramirez, for upgrading this to 50. Result yun ang kita 50, unta to siya.
Di ba maging takailan tanan yun do?
Kailan na lang ta. Hi, I'm Kuano. Say ko na to one thing i-share.
Hoy, ganong nainana. Uy, wala ginainay na last time. Hello, oy. Hi guys, I'm your favorite meal from the Queen City of the South and the face of Cebu Drag, Nicole Pardo. Please tag me on all of my social media.
Hi, my name is Joseph, and yes, it's my first time here.
Yeah!
My name is Francis, first time.
Ala, kadaghan nila, oh.
Birthday siya ni Joseph. Si Joseph husband ni Brent.
Okay. Sorry, Glenn. Yeah, we're here. Asa ganina? Unsay pangalan?
Halatungan Island.
Ha?
Halatungan.
Halatungan. Hala na nasa taani. Kanang kulba siya light, no. Actually, ano na ako magligo ha.
Osh, hoy! Di ba buot-buot?
Dire? Asa?
Let's go! Sakto mo tayo yung gagyan.
Station ni Mark daw.
A few moments later.
To be honest, kailangan mo pa ako. Pero...
Hi guys! So we are here at Halatungan, Cordova. I'm not really sure. I feel like minurder ko yung name ng place, but we are here for a dental mission and we do this annually every birthday ni Doc Xavier, since Doc Xavier is a dentist. So he invites his dentist colleagues, mga former students, and of course us, his friends, to join this dental mission. I feel like it's a good thing to be able to give back to the community and, you know, do this for free, diba? So later, there's going to be like a feeding program. Magpapakain kami ng lugaw sa mga kids. And then after, maglalagay kami ng mga fluorides sa mga bata. O, diba? I'm not just a drag queen, but... Hi guys, so I'm with, of course, the birthday boy, Dr. Xavier. Hey! Unsa jay reason nga no why we have this dental mission, Doc?
Wow, grabe. Miss Universe man din siya, oy. Kaya I believe we have a beauty with the purpose. Hindi bitaw, it's like I think, yeah, you know me, we've been friends for quite some time, so it's like during my birthday I usually give back to the community. Kaya it's to augment also, even though we have like government who are doing their job, hopefully, pero kuwang yun gihapon. So even though gi-thrust na karon nga dapat dili na mas gigibot sa community, kay mas maadyo mag-prevention na Pero we have to agree also nga daghan pa jud ang kinahanglan og tabang nga magpaibot. So manang atong tagaan ng services nga magpaibot, but aside from that though, ang mga bata ato sa taga-ag fluoride to make their teeth stronger and healthier. Hoy.
Yeah, and we would like to thank you also for, inviting us over. This is like a tradition na dyan siya every year na pag birthday ni Doc, like we go to different places and do like dental missions.
Yeah.
Unsay birthday wish nimo?
Akong wish would be world peace. Oh, hindi siya paminawon, but yeah, I'm wishing that everyone will be happy. People around me will be happy para happy ang tanan. Kaya kung ang people nimo around people nimo dili happy, dili sa ka-happy og apil. Diba? So walay problema kung happy ang tanan. That's it. So kapoy kasi kag pray og happiness for yourself para people around you dili. And era. Pero yes.
Diba? Thank you, Doc.
Maka-proud akong friends oy awa.
Dili ni ana man gud si Doc nga 50 pesos per hour.
Ay, sala.
Mo ni siya ang imuhang bayad para maka-dance ka. Kasi wa kay gunita, wa kay lunch.
Her very responsible sa akong mga friends oy. Pagaon sa kakaron gland.
I am cleaning thoroughly for just to make sure no. Ay, I'm so sorry. Lawara?
Thoroughly.
Buapin ko bigo.
Ano isaw sini mo? Init tarong ba? Init ba ya? Init. Ana. Init tarong. Init. Sa isaw sini mo? Ning.
Bantay init ha.
Pwede ba kayo tarong?
Dok, ikaw ni Dok.
Ana, init ha.
Thank you.
Init tarong ha. Linyag tarong.
Linya, usa ka linya.
Dino ko.
Iluwa lang after running, ha? Bisa ka makaon din 30 minutos o pa na, minuto 30 minutes para mas mapas pa 30 minutes, ha? Bukod pa di ka di siya mag-ride mo.
That's a wrap! Yay!
Since we are done with our dental mission, ito na yung dreaded namin na part of this entire thing.
Merkiwal Manila na eh.
Happy birthday to you!
So, of course, before tamo start, kinahanglan sa yuta
Pray?
Oh, sige, mag-prayer sa. So, let's put a moment of silence for the prayer. Amen. Okay. May bawa na ito kasi may voice. Kuha sa inyong drinks na gidala.
This is it, Pansit.
Ma, I love you po. Pa, thank you kayo sa tanan. Sa mga friends na ako, love chita mo. Nganong nagka-friends man ni Doc Xavier.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Yayarok daw, Achar.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
One shot.
I lang ba ako, perfect. Oh my God. Next.
Ayun kita narin.
Hinay ka talaga sa ako.
May mo ako. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Okay. Lord, that is nice. Anong giingon?
Nganong ni enter?
Nganong ni Yas ko ani ni Doc?
Saan ka ko kibutang do?
Kanang Doc, mga unsa jutan. Ningon magud si Mama. Dahil pabili. Mukhaon sa kanak ha before ka mainom.
Alright guys, lunch na ta guys.
Hello.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Wala lagi ka na po. Why candle? Ana.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Makamandainin ka ng kwat. Sabi na kong ice tea. Ice tea, guys. Ha? Before the chaos.
Us. Anong oras na? 4:25. 4:25, ganito na kami, guys. Hey! 4:25 at Doc Xavier's birthday. Let's talk to the birthday boy. Doc Xavier! Ayaw sa... Okay ka na! Hey, Doc Xavier! Good na ba?
Hubog na ko, pero yes naman lang. I could just say is, hindi pa ko hubog. Hindi pa rin ko hubog. Wala'y hubog.
In fairness, okay ang weather today.
Best, I just have to say, you have to book with Ramirez. You have to book with Ramirez Tour.
Yes!
Ramirez Tour is the best policy.
Pero the weather is like so favorable today. Thanks to Mark Ramirez Island Tours. Thank you so much for the accommodation. It's so fun. Kita nyo naman, di ba? In fairness, hindi kami binagyo. Ganito ka fun ang birthday bash ni Doc Xavier every year. So, if you want to have this kind of crazy birthday bash, befriend nyo na si Doc Xavier. Alam nyo na.
Wala na.
Happy birthday, Doc Xavier.
Thank you.
I'm a fan.
We landed safely here at Cordova Port, and now we're going to Glenn's place for the after party. Yan, lasing ng mga tao. So, like, see guys, I'm holding a cake. Hindi ko alam kanina kung galing to, but I mean,
Of course, it's my cake. It's my birthday.
Malamang, but I mean like kaninong cake to galing, diba?
Asa si Glenza.
5 hours later.
Hey guys, we're here at Glenn's place and we're like chilling, but I'm like super hungry na. So like good na ba ang tanan? Good morning.
Exactly, it's like pretty good birthday exactly 24 hours ago. So nag-start sa bag 24 hours ago. 24 hours with me man din ni Uy.
Sure. Sa mga to nahitabo sa birthday ni Docky, so much fun. Amot lang kung na-document ba tanan, but I hope you guys like this video. If you do, you know what to do. Click that like button, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. Till my next one, I will see you. Bye!
I'm your favorite meal from the Queen the south. Clinical with her twins rocking the game, no doubt. So get ready to be gagged. I'm the face of Cebu Drag.